Go.
Hey guys, tonight we will be making some fried eggplant or fried belange. So we're gonna put some garlic, start off with some garlic. Alright guys, so for fried belange I've added some garlic, saute some garlic. Now I'm gonna add some shrimp. So basically all I did was season the shrimp with some garlic powder, black pepper, salt, obviously sazon. That's why it's so red. So I'm going to fry that up a little bit.
You can choose to season your chicken, your shrimp, or just put it in like that.
So you're going to let that cook up.
And these are the 2-inch shrimp. That's really good.
Yeah. We'll be having this with some oil roti that my husband made. And he's going to be posting a video on cooking and traveling with Vishnuli. You guys going to see how he claps the roti.
So we make 10 nice roti here. That's the roti there. We're gonna have that with eggplant and shrimps.
Alright guys, so this has been cooking a little bit, 5 minutes or so. Alright guys, so I'm going to add these eggplant in. These eggplant are the Chinese eggplant, the long skinny ones. I don't know if it's a question.
The Asian one.
Alright guys, so we're going to give that a turn. I'm cooking in a small kahari today, just because I like how this one cooks, so bear with me as I turn this up. It's gonna melt and go down anyways. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to be adding some potatoes because we love potatoes in this household.
And the eggplant actually melt down a little bit.
Yeah.
Here, as you can see from the pot.
We're going to add some tomatoes, onions, some pepper, celery, and scallions.
Wow, that looks really nice and delicious there.
Yeah. Turn it up.
Yum, yum.
Yeah, yum yum is right. So when the eggplant breaks down, it kind of loses its own water as it cooks. So, but if we need to add some water to cook, we'll add it. It's just a wait and see kind of deal.
Yeah, the shrimps actually get smaller. Look.
Yeah, shrimp.
Shrimp.
We're gonna add some black pepper. Crushed pepper seeds. We're gonna add a little bit of thyme, like dry thyme. And we're going to add a little bit of basil, otherwise known as married man pork. And finally, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. For now, we can add later. Give it another stir. Alright, we'll let that cook up. Let the eggplant break down a little bit. Get some water in here and we shall be back. Alright guys, so we're checking this eggplant out here. See how it's doing. See the water, the eggplant broke down, got all the water, it's cooking nicely. Tomatoes, potatoes boiling. Just a really good looking pot of eggplant, fried eggplant. Look at the gravy. Hi babe, it smells yummy. Yeah, can't wait to eat. The potatoes are still boiling obviously, but here you go guys. Comment and let me know how it looks at this juncture of cooking. Does your eggplant look like this? Comment and let us know. Alright guys, so here's our eggplant. It's all done. We tasted it for salt. We tasted it for seasoning. Everything was on point. We didn't have to add anything more because it was enough what we added before. Our potatoes are all boiled. Eggplant is nice and soft. Yeah, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about our fried eggplant. We're going to be having this with some oil roti. Again, if you haven't subscribed to Cooking and Traveling with Vish and Nalini, please consider doing so. Until then, ciao.